Here at Amber, we strive to bring you the feeling of home away from home. Experience it at Adam Street Gardens Student Accommodation in Cardiff, UK. With Cardiff University and the University of South Wales just a few minutes from the property, Adam Street Gardens is an ideal student stay for anyone with a busy work and study schedule looking for a centrally based home. The property offers a wide range of studios where you have your own bathroom. You'll also have your own living and kitchen space, fitted out with everything you might need to live independently. Alternatively, our en-suite rooms provide a comfortable home with their private bathrooms, plus a fully equipped kitchen that you'll share with flatmates. When done with your work, you can head to the communal areas that provide a perfect spot for relaxing with your fellow students. If you're feeling active, play a game of foosball or head along to the on-site gym that is free to use whenever you feel like it. With the city center just a short walk away, you can head out to the various pubs and restaurants in the area or go shopping at the various chain stores. The clock's ticking. Log on to amberstudent.com to make your booking today.